Etsy is a popular online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers of unique and handmade goods. It provides a platform for individuals to sell their crafts, vintage items, and supplies, and has become a go-to destination for people seeking one-of-a-kind items. If you're interested in selling on Etsy and earning some extra income, here is a step-by-step guide to get started. Step 1. Choose what to sell. The first step to earning dollars on Etsy is to decide what you want to sell. You can sell handmade items, vintage items, and craft supplies. When choosing what to sell, think about your skills and interests, and consider what you enjoy making or collecting. Some popular categories on Etsy include jewelry, clothing, home decor, and digital downloads. It's important to remember that the items you sell on Etsy should be unique and of high quality. Take some time to research what other sellers are offering in your chosen category to get a sense of the competition and the types of products that are in demand. Consider what makes your products stand out and how you can differentiate yourself from other sellers. Step 2. Set up your Etsy shop. Once you have decided what to sell, it's time to set up your Etsy shop. Creating a shop on Etsy is easy and straightforward. Simply go to Etsy.com and click on Sell on Etsy to get started. Here are the steps you will need to follow. Sign up for an Etsy account. If you don't already have an Etsy account, you will need to sign up for one. You can do this by clicking on Sign in the upper right-hand corner of the homepage and following the prompts. Create your shop. Once you have an Etsy account, you can create your shop. Click on Sell on Etsy and follow the prompts to create your shop name, choose your language and currency, and set up your payment and shipping options. Add your products. Once your shop is set up, it's time to add your products. Click on Add a listing and follow the prompts to upload photos of your items, write descriptions, and set your prices. Customize your shop. You can customize your shop by adding a banner, logo, and shop policies. This will help make your shop look professional and build trust with potential buyers. Step 3. Optimize your listings. When listing your products on Etsy, it's important to optimize them for search engines. This will help potential buyers find your items when they search for specific keywords on Etsy. Here are some tips for optimizing your listings. Use clear and descriptive titles. Make sure your titles accurately describe what you are selling and include important keywords that people might use when searching for your items. Write detailed descriptions. Your descriptions should provide all the necessary information about your product, including size, materials, and any special features. Use high-quality photos. Your photos should be clear and well lit, and show your product from multiple angles. Consider using a plain white background to make your product stand out. Price your items competitively. Do some research on what similar items are selling for on Etsy, and price your items accordingly. Make sure to factor in the cost of materials and shipping when setting your prices. Use tags. Tags are keywords that help people find your items on Etsy. Make sure to use relevant tags that accurately describe your product. Step 4. Promote your shop. Once your shop is set up and your listings are optimized, it's time to start promoting your shop. Here are some effective ways to promote your Etsy shop. Sure, here are some tips on how to use social media to promote an Etsy shop. Choose the right platforms. Consider which social media platforms your target audience is most active on. Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are popular choices for promoting handmade and unique items. Set up business accounts. Create business accounts on each platform you plan to use. Make sure to optimize your profile and include a link to your Etsy shop in your bio. Share visually appealing content. Use high-quality photos and videos to showcase your products. Consider creating tutorials, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or lifestyle shots to engage your audience. Use hashtags. Use relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your posts. Research popular hashtags in your niche and add them to your posts. Run promotions and giveaways. Offer discounts, run promotions, or host giveaways on social media to drive traffic to your Etsy shop. Encourage followers to tag their friends and share your posts to increase exposure. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and messages in a timely manner. Engage with your followers by asking for feedback, sharing customer reviews, or featuring user-generated content. Collaborate with influencers. Identify influencers in your niche and reach out to collaborate on sponsored posts, product reviews, or giveaways. Remember, the key to success on social media is to consistently post engaging content, interact with your audience, and promote your shop in a way that feels authentic and genuine. Regenerate response.